guys, how's it going? Today we've got another really cool horn to look at. So this is a 1960 Leslie S3L. This is an Ex Conrail horn. As you can see the blue on it, and then it's got the gray on top. I believe the gray is Conrail as well. It is an aluminum Tabby. That was going to be your 1960s. It's got a high mount diamond manifold. That's another thing that they did back in the older Leslies. All, like I said, all original hardware, original bolts, all bells, power chambers, everything's original. Power chambers have not been remachined. I don't even know if they've ever been apart, to be honest. Really good sounding for an original horn. It's a strong horn, really loud. All the bells come through clear. So I'll just flip it around. Like I said, this is 1960. It is stamped on the manifold, on the side of the manifold actually. And I'll put a picture up of that. It's got the original tag. The power chambers are aluminum. So 1957 is when your bronze Tabbies ended and you picked up on the aluminum. Those ran through 67. So that just gives you an idea of the aluminum Tabbies. So anyway, with a S3L, it's a 25, you've got a 31, and then your 44. Really popular horn, S3L, RS3Ls. That's kind of one of Leslie's top 3 chime horns you can find. Really good sounding horn. I really like an S3L platform. I've got several of them. So anyway, y'all enjoy this. This is the 1960 Leslie aluminum Tabby S3L.